Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So Instagram have added a new feature that you can comment in any reels with a photo from your gallery. So if you are watching any reels and you want to comment on that with the photo from your gallery, then you can do this. So this is a new feature. How this work, I will show you in my mobile screen. So when you open Instagram Reels and click on comment, here you can see the gallery icon is there. You have to click on this and you can select any photo from gallery. Here you can see I have selected and I will post it. So here you can see the photo is posted from gallery. So this is a new feature currently not available for everyone. So let me know in the comment if you have received this new update or not. Thank you. Thanks for watching.